standing, you just fade away. Don't you know I'm still standing better than I ever did.
Hello everyone, this is Jeffrey and welcome to another video. And today we're going to be doing some science. And we're going to be showing you how to make a normal volcano, but we're just going to be using a cup for this, and a lemon volcano. So let's get started.
So we're going to be making a volcano and a lemon volcano. So this is what you need for this normal volcano. So you need white vinegar, like food colouring. So it's got yellow, rose pink and blue.
We don't really need the food colouring, but it's just like to add a bit of colour.
Yeah. And buy a cup of soda and then
Just a cup.
a spoon.
Oh yeah, we also need the spoon.
Yeah.
And the cup. We're not going to be using the lemon yet because we're not going to be doing the lemon volcano.
Yeah. So first we have to get.
It's the bicarb. No,
Yeah.
no vinegar first.
Oh yeah. First we had to get the vinegar.
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 And tip a bit into the
And
cup.
tip like
A bit. Keep going. Keep going. Lauren, just tip a load in. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, stop there. We'll just do it like that.
And then we have
We'll put some fruit.
food colouring.
So we'll use red for this to like use lava.
That's rose pink.
Oh yeah, no, that's pink. We need pink because yeah, it's more volcano-y colour.
So we'll just drop it maybe on the spoon. Yeah, we'll drop it on the spoon. So just a little bit like that.
Yep, just a little bit, tiny bit. I don't know if you can see it because it's really sunny.
Yeah.
And then we put it in the water and maybe give it a bit of a mix.
Yeah, so we'll go give it a mix.
So now you can see it's all
It looks like red.
it's all red.
Yeah, it's like looks like red, juicy colour.
Yep.
And
now we are going to be
bicarb soda.
put some bicarb soda. Oh, you spilled a bit there.
What?
You spilled a bit there.
Oh no.
It's fine. Just
Dope.
okay.
Luckily I'm
Everyone
the
ready?
boss.
We're gonna get a spoonful, Lauren. Get the spoon.
I didn't get
We're
it.
going to dip. Get a big. Yep. Get a big chunk.
Yeah, big chunky.
Okay. So everyone ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Fix the soda.
Yes. Here it goes.
Now more.
This is the volcano. No, don't add more. Just
No,
add a bit.
please.
Yeah, just add a bit more. Yes.
Looks good. Now more vinegar. Haha. Very good indeed.
Yeah. So this is how you do it. You can make it bigger by adding more vinegar and more bicarb soda, or you can use make a volcano of like paper mache or something.
Yeah, like what he said.
So now we'll do the lemon.
Volcano.
So now we're going to be doing the lemon volcano, and what we'll need is the lemons. When you start, you also got to cut like the lemon like uneven, like you can have one big bit here and then a little bit here. Come closer, Lauren.
Yeah.
See, like this. You cut it in half.
Like that.
Not
like that.
so not exactly in half.
Yeah.
And we're also going to be using food colouring again because I think you kind of need this for this. It looks cool to make it look cool. Then we won't be using the vinegar in this one. We just need the bicarb soda and then just a spoon. And and also the milk too.
Yeah.
Okay. So first we're gonna I think it's. Do we add the food colouring first, Lauren? Yeah, I think we add.
No, we stab it in first and then we.
First we start stabbing the lemon. Be careful not to get in your eye because it stings a little bit. Come closer.
Yeah, it stinks. Look at that.
Oof. Watch it splat all over the ground.
Okay, that's enough, Jeff.
That's why we chop it a little. Ooh, and be careful not to stab yourself too. That was close.
Stab there. Okay.
And so then
Ow!
I'm gonna come closer. Stay there. And then we're gonna get some food colouring.
Are you using yellow?
Yeah, we'll just do a bit of dab.
Yeah,
Well,
just
I don't know why everyone's using yellow. Should have got green or something. This is more orangey actually.
Yeah.
Reddish orange. Did you mix something up or something?
No, it just looks how the food colouring
Okay.
does.
So then we'll get the blue.
Yeah. Are you gonna make green?
Oof, geez, that was a bit too much.
Yeah, you should use a spoonful.
Looks like
That's
looks
what
like we
I
made a
always
bit of
do
green
with
there, so
cake.
it didn't matter really.
I always do that with cake and
Yeah,
blah 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 blah.
make sure you feel me. And then we got the
Pink.
just a little bit of pink.
You
Oof,
mean rose pink?
Yeah, rose pink. Still pink, doesn't matter.
Yeah, rose
Pink
pink.
it is. So we got the pink, and now we'll do a bit more stubbing. Oh, this can get a bit messy.
No, no more stabbing.
Yeah, we do a bit of stubbing, remember?
No, we don't.
Yeah, we
That
do.
was at the start.
Yeah, we do the stubbing again, Lauren.
And now we use the vinegar.
No, we don't use the vinegar, we use the baking soda.
Oh, baking
So you
soda.
can see it
I
all
keep
running
getting
over
mixed
and
up.
stuff. So we'll
Yeah,
get
stuff
the-
and stuff. Definitely does
I get
stuff.
Yep, that's my channel.
Yep, and subscribe and hit the bell. And if you please.
Pour the vinegar in. It doesn't go. It goes a little bit, but doesn't go much. I'll add a lot of vinegar in this time.
No, you have. Now we've got to use a bit of baking. Oh,
This is
lemon.
the. I mean, not. This is the baking soda, not the vinegar. Sorry, guys. So just mix it around.
Just put a
Come
tiny
on.
bit.
No, it doesn't matter. Come
Yeah.
and look. Have a look at it. Oh, I think we had a bit too much. I might just get
Yeah,
another
too
kickstart.
much. Let's kill him.
Oh, fizzing up a little bit there.
Fizzing.
Okay, ready? Then we get the lemon. Come
Yeah,
close.
lemon volcano.
And squeeze. This is not as big as
Yeah, the
the
volcano.
volcano,
it's
but
right
it still
here.
it just looks kind of cool. Like, look, see, swirl it around a bit.
Don't touch it, Jeff.
it's
Ah!
fine.
Oh
Step on a thistle or something.
no! I stepped on the concrete, then a thistle.
Sucked in one.
Oh, you used to get sucked in.
Okay, so you can see like it's all fizzing around and stuff. Come,
Oh, ha ha ha.
see all around here.
Yeah, baking
And
soda.
so that's how you make now we've
Lemon
made-
volcano.
And plus you can do it with loads of different colours. This just turned it out to be really green. Should add a bit more pink. But then
Yeah.
see, it can do it with like bigger things and maybe maybe do it with more lemons to make it look
Yeah.
cool. And
So-
maybe do a bigger volcano and add more baking soda and vinegar to do it. And thank you guys for watching.
Yeah, please.
Hope you enjoyed this. So please subscribe and leave a like.
And if you please.
Leave a like.
Yeah, that's what.
And we'll see you all guys later. Bye.
Bye bye.